Welcome to my All-Sky camera. The camera is a Raspberry Pi running a Pi HQ camera with a 120-degree lens. Currently, the camera is located just south of Salmon, Idaho and is pointed to the northeast. Another good week camera-wise, with the camera running most of the week, though no aurora, and we are almost at full moon, so not a lot of star action. I have been running a camera heater at night, hoping to keep the camera dome warm. On Saturday night, I finally got a chance to take the dome off and clean it, and everything was then refocused. The alignment looks pretty good, though a little low. Been checking the camera, and so far I'm happy with the results this week. Thanks for watching.